Remote method invocation in Java. Remote method invocation. Here you can see remote method invocation. Here the all method publish on server are registered on RMI registry like UDDI for web services. The client calls the local method stub to perform this operation. The stub on the client calls RMI registry to know whether that method exists. And correct way to call it. Client stub calls this method on the server skeleton. Calls this method on server. So skeleton receive this request and communicate with the software on the server. Then it receives the response and send this response to the client stub. Here you can see a client host here. And server host here. Server object interface, client skeleton, and server objects are in client server host. And here step 1, the server object registers server objects on RMI registry host. RMI registry is in RMI registry host. And step 2 here, look. Then here the server object interface, client program, and service stubs are in client host. This is client program. And here server client program looks for server objects in RMI registry host. RMI registry host return server stub here to client program. Client program interact with server stub. Server stub do the data communication between with service skeleton, and service skeleton interacts with server objects. And simply server objects register server object with RMI registry here, RMI registry host here, and client program looks for server object in RMI registry host, and RMI registry host return service stub to our client program, and data communication then occurs between server stub and server skeleton here. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.